In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run your entire business in Notion. We're going to keep this really simple and walk through step by step how to get a complete business workspace set up using a Notion template from the marketplace. By the end, you'll have the foundation for managing projects, clients, tasks, and more, all in one place. First, open Notion on your computer. Look at the left-hand sidebar. Near the bottom of that sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Marketplace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion collects ready-made templates that you can plug directly into your workspace, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in the phrase "Run a Business." Take a moment to let the results load. What this search is doing is filtering all the available templates to show you ones that are designed for running and organizing a business inside Notion. You should now see a list of templates related to business operations. Look through the results and find the template that matches the Run a Business setup, often described as a complete business workspace or business operating system. Once you spot it, click on that template to open its detailed page. On the templates page, you'll usually see a description, some screenshots, and an overview of what's included, like CRM, project management, or finance tracking. Take a quick look so you understand what you're getting. When you're ready to bring this into your own Notion account, look for the button that says Add. Click on Add. Notion will now create a copy of this entire template inside your workspace. This may take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see a new page or section appear in your sidebar with the name of the business template you just added. From here, you can start customizing it for your own business, rename databases, adjust properties, and delete sections you don't need. At this point, your business hub in Notion is ready for you to explore. You've successfully found the marketplace, searched for a business template, selected the one you want, and added it to your workspace. In future sessions, you can refine it further by adding your own processes, connecting pages, and sharing it with your team so everyone works from the same system.